Hello, welcome to part 12 of Angular complete series Interpolation and Template Expression represented by tutorial polls. Interpolation allows you to incorporate calculated strings into the text between HTML element tags and within attribute assignments. In Angular, you can use double opening and closing curly brackets to resolve the expression into a result and insert the result as text between HTML elements. Let's write another p tag in user detail component. And for test, inside pass expression, so open double curly braces, type 1 plus 1 and close curly brackets. Let's run npm start and see what we get on browser. If you see here, it has resolved the mathematical expression and it has added 2 as text in our paragraph tag. It's not limited to mathematical operations only. Let's first declare one variable in our user detail component class. Type public space age equals to 40. Let's see some more examples what we can achieve using interpolation. As you can see here, I have already written a couple of possible ways to interpolate the string for the sake of time. First is simple mathematical expression, similar to what we saw just now. Second, it is resolving the value of our age variable. This is one of the ways to display the variable value in UI. This is very frequently used scenario of interpolation. Third, I am adding 5 in our age variable. Next is, I am assigning a value to placeholder attribute of input element. Next, again a placeholder attribute value, but this time our age variable. When we type any string name inside double curly braces, it is actually expected to be instance variable of the associated component. Let's save and see the browser. Alright, as you can see, it is showing the result of first expression as 40 and then the value as variable followed by age variable plus 5 as 45. Then placeholder, as you can see here in text box. If we inspect this text box and see placeholder value in text box attributes, it is as expected. So interpolation is a great way to show text on UI from expression or property, and also we can assign dynamic values to elements in attribute, or we can show the dynamic values in the UI. Alright, so that was it for interpolation. We will be getting more of it as we move forward. Thank you and keep learning.